Raise your hands who have faced failure in your life, either personally or professionally. Everyone. I am Hasana. I am here to talk about failures in life and how to overcome it. There is one thing called failure is stepping stone for success. So before moving to the topic, let me tell my own story. In 2008, I applied for a driving license in Indiranagar RTO. I was rejected thrice. The officer was very strict there. The main reason he was rejecting me is whenever he told to put the reverse gear, I used to put a jerk and vehicle suddenly used to stop. So every time he used to reject me. And then I was really upset. I thought the fourth time if I go, then also you may reject my driving license. So then what I did is I learned from my mistake. I worked hard. Every time I used to have the driving school instructor sitting next to me, and he used to guide me. And whenever I do mistakes, he used to put the brake or he had the accelerator and used to control. Then I told the driving school instructor, please give the vehicle for myself. So the driving school instructor was not there in the vehicle. I went to open ground. Then I practiced by myself. Then for continuous 3 days I worked hard, especially to overcome the fear of that putting reverse gear. The vehicle was getting jerked and stopping. So for 3 days I practiced, then I was successful. Then fourth time I went to that same Indiranagar RTO office and the same officer came. And that time I was really confident and I thought this time I will pass. And luckily I got my driving license for the fourth time. This is my example. I can give some other examples also. If you see Indian cricket team, still I remember 96 they had gone up to semi-final. They could not win the World Cup. 99 they did not qualify. 2003 they went till up to finals. They were defeated against Australia. In 2007 they could not qualify for the Super 6 round. And finally in 2011 they were world champions. What it showed is from the failure they were not upset. They worked hard. And finally because of their hard work they were able to win the World Cup. And another example is the current BJP government. If you see in 2004 they were defeated. In 2009 again they were defeated. And finally in 2014 their strategies was changed. They used all the social medias, everything they used. And finally in 2014 they were able to come to the power. So friends, what I have 3 tips for you is to overcome the failures is, I'll tell you one by one. First is never upset with your failure. Never be upset with the failure. Second step is learn from the failures. You know the reason, what is the reason for the failure. And third step is work hard. Not only work hard, work smart also. Especially in our IT field it tells don't work hard, work smart. But some field you have to work smart. So there are 3 steps to overcome the failures and become success. So let me repeat once again. One is never be upset with the failure. Second is understand the reasons for failure. And third step is work hard for the success. Can someone give any example like this? Who faced failures, then after struggling, they became successful in
their life? I can give, like for example, the first thing is coming to my mind. There are many people. Saurabh Ganguly was out of the Indian cricket team, and Greg Chappell was the coach at that time, and Greg Chappell said that until I am the coach, he can never come back to the team. And Saurabh Ganguly one day said in one press conference that I'm going to be back in the Indian team. And exactly 7 months back he was in the Indian team. So he got the failure, but for 7 months he worked hard and smart, I'm sure, and he got back in the team and got the success.
Like Amitabh Bachchan was rejected by air, saying that your voice is not suitable for us. But today they are ready to pay any price for that same voice.
Absolutely.
And another example is your state government, West Bengal government. 35 years it was ruled by CPM. I still remember Mamata Banerjee was defeated for 3 elections continuously.
She was beaten hard as well.
Yes, and in 2011 she won the election and she was able to form the government. So what all this shows is, usually what happens is when a weak-minded person, when he fails in life, he will be upset. He will never put a step for success. What we have to think is failure is a stepping stone for success. So work hard, learn from the mistakes what you did, why you are failure, and learn from the mistakes, and you can achieve your success. Thanks a lot.